Hello, Sanbonani. My name is CBO. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Today we are making homemade bread for celebrations like Thanksgiving or whatever event that you have or you want to impress your guests or your family. Let's begin. Peel and chop fresh butternut. Grate the butternut. You don't need much of it and set it aside. Wash and chop baby spinach. Set it aside. Chop bacon into smaller pieces. And set it aside. If you don't like bacon, you don't have to include it. Here I am showing how to correctly measure flour if you don't have a scale. You use another utensil to scoop the flour into a cup, then level it and put it in the bowl, meaning you are scooping loosely. You heaping the flour, then you level it with a flat object like a knife, the back of the knife. Then sift the flour to make your bread airy. Add 3 cups of flour, baking powder, garlic powder, sugar and salt. Sift. You don't have to sift sugar. I don't know why I did that again. Add your butternut, your spinach and your bacon. You will find all the ingredients and measurements in the description box below. Mix them well. Please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell and help grow this channel. Add water. It's tap water. Mix in between adding. Knead the dough until it is well blended. Grease the non-heat sensitive cups like teacups with butter. Softened butter will work. And put them in a pan. Place the dough into the cups, dipping your spoon in water into the water to avoid the dough sticking on the spoon. Do not heap your cups because the dough will rise as it cooks. Add boiling water into the pan up till halfway. Then close the pot and steam the dough for 25 to 30 minutes. There you go. Cool it for 10 minutes out of the pot but still inside the cups. Then take out the bread to cool it entirely. Put them on a cooling rack to avoid moisture and cool them entirely. There they are ready to serve. Serve them with stew, with salad, whatever you prefer. Enjoy! Let's make moist cornbread. In a mixing bowl, place all-purpose flour, add cornmeal or polenta, mix the two flours, the cornmeal and the flour, add salt, add sugar, add baking powder, mix. Let's mix wet ingredients. In a bowl, add buttermilk or amasi, add eggs, add melted unsalted butter, and mix. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and mix. Gradually mix them. The dough at this point will be a little bit heavy. Use be it a spatula or a wooden spoon. Please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell to be part of the family. Now we are greasing the pot, the cast iron pot we'll be using to bake this bread. Pour the dough into the pot or the pan. Spread evenly or level the top of the dough. Tap the pot a few times, then bake for 25 minutes on a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Once the bread is ready, grease it with butter on top. Cool it for 10 to 15 minutes while it's still in the pan, then take it out into a cooling rack and cool it entirely. Then you may cut or serve your bread. I hope you enjoy it. Let's make bacon and cheese sweet cornbread. Please remember, if bacon is not your thing, please drop it. Don't add it. Let's begin. Add oil in a hot pan on medium heat and fry bacon pieces. Thank you so much for coming through to watch my video. Please kindly watch until the end. Once the bacon is ready, put it on a paper towel and cool it entirely. Let's mix dry ingredients. In a bowl, add flour, baking powder, and sugar. Sift. Add grated cheese. I'm using cheddar cheese. Then bacon if you're adding it. Drained kernel corn in brine. You're draining the brine. Then add them together with your dry ingredients and mix well. Add your cream style sweet corn. I'm adding half the can and freezing the other one. Please check the description box for more details on these recipes. Mix well. I'm using a table knife to mix. I don't want to over mix. In another bowl, beat eggs, buttermilk or amasi, and melted butter. Please kindly subscribe to this channel and press the notification bell to be notified of new posts. Add the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and mix. We are gradually mixing. We stop mixing as soon as the batter comes together to avoid over mixing. Check for dry patches underneath and from the sides of the bowl. Pour the batter into a lined baking pan. Level the top of the batter. Tap the baking pan a few times to remove air pockets. Bake for 1 hour 15 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius or 356 Fahrenheit on a preheated oven. Check if it is dry when you stick in a wooden skewer. Stand the bread for 10 to 15 minutes before taking it out of the pan. Please kindly press the like button and leave a comment below and add more value in this video. And please let me know, would you try these recipes? The bread can be served as is or be eaten with stew, salads, anything of choice. I hope you have enjoyed today's videos. Thank you so much for your time. Hope to see you soon. Bye bye.